Here's an update on the Ocracoke. Nothing's really changed with this fan. It's still got the ridiculously bent blade brackets. And the slow motor it's always had. So, alright. Here's low. And of course it always has the two different light bulbs. I don't think this was the original fan in this room. This is at my grandparents' house. There's a ring on the ceiling. There might have been a hugger here. There would have been a Catalina lighting hugger in this room, but capacitor ran out a couple years ago and my grandparents threw it away, so here's this Harbor Breeze Centerville in here. But we're not going to worry about that. Alright, here's medium. Yeah, I know it's flush mounted, but I'm honestly surprised this thing doesn't wobble. This thing should wobble. It's insane how bent these blade brackets are. I really like these fans. They're super childhood. Alright, here's high. Guess the light's not on. Ah, oh. Yeah, these blades like to rattle. I think some screws are loose. I have to tighten those at some point. Alright. You spin down. Always liked this fan. I think Ocracokes are super nice. They were kind of the generic Harbor Breeze fan back in the day. But they're still really great fans in my opinion. Alright, there's the Ocracoke. Thank you for watching.